Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the performance of Nifty in the third week of December, and we are also going to see the prediction for the next week. That is going to be the last week of this year. This year we have seen a lot of twists and turns in the stock market as well as in our lives. Now we'll see how Nifty has performed in the last week. So in the last week, Nifty had opened around 13,770. So in the second week of December, that is the Sunday, the last week, we had predicted that Nifty may cross 13,770 and close at 13,974 because on Sunday, US Federal has announced a $900 billion Corona relief package, which was passed by both the houses. The Democrats and the Senate had passed this out. This is the only major reason for the SPX markets to have a huge rally, and the huge rally was also reflected in the Indian markets. So we had thought, since Sunday we had this news, we had thought that Nifty will break 13,774 and reach 13,970. How did we predict this 200 points range? Is because when we see the FII inflow in the last month, we can see that FII had nearly pumped in 41,325 crores. In the month of November, they had pumped in 65,000 crores. So that was almost 1,200 points rally was done in the last 2 months. So based upon this, when we see the performance of FII inflow day wise, we can see from December 14 to 18 we had almost 15,000 crores pumped in. Since it is the third week of December, we can't, and it's also a week holidays for a long holiday week in the US market, and we thought that we may not see that much FII pumping in, but at least we will see around 6,000 crores, that is 1,000 crores, 1,500 crores per day, since we had a truncated week of 4 days. So 1,500 crores will be pumped in per day. So 6,000 crores will be pumped in this week, resulting into 13,974. That was our guess. That was our prediction for the third week of December. So this was the one point for predicting. Then second point was the US Federation bill. The only bad news that we had on the Sunday night is UK facing a new COVID strain and a level 5 of lockdown being implemented in UK. That was the only bad news we had. That was a mixed reaction. We didn't know how the markets will react. In the Monday morning, when SGX Nifty had opened almost 60 points down, and Nifty opened around 13,710, and now you can see a huge correction happening on Monday. So Nifty didn't cross 30,774, and we had a huge correction of 550 points happening on Monday. Because of this huge correction on Monday, people thought that we may have another 500 points correction happening on the next day. That is, Nifty will be back to 12,800 levels. That was thought of, but we didn't have this. We didn't say that it will correct more, because we didn't say that will happen here, because you can see in FII flows that on December 27 we can just see 323 crores was only sold. So FII sold only 323 crores. And one more debatable point is, when you see SPX, see here, SPX is the US market. You can see they had a huge rally on 3636 and they finished at 3,703. US again recovered all its losses and booked in profits. Booked in a green candle. So this made sure that the next day we may not see a sell-off. So in our channel we had indicated that not to have any PEs not have any peace, because you may not see much more selling happening in Nifty. And that was same assured the second day, that Nifty Bass tried to push it below 30,190, but it didn't do. So Nifty, when the US market opened, it had a good rally and it finished below 13,530. 13,530. So when the market finished on 13,530, we had thought that it may not cross 530, because 13,530 again is a price rejection. Price rejection may happen at these levels. It earlier had happened. So we had predicted that it may not cross 13,530, but it may consolidate 5 to 463 levels. But how did we say that? Because SPX had a small profit booking happening in the second day of this week. But to our surprise, in the third week, we can see a huge rally, and it closed above 13,602. On Thursday also we had seen a huge rally, and it closed 13,772. How did FIs do on these 3 days? When we compare 2024, they had just given around only 3,300 crores. That was net amount pumped by FIIs, as well as DIs were the selling people. They were selling like anything. So for the last week, we can see only around 3,300 crores being pumped in. So how, and also this also being a long weekend in the US markets. So for the next week, let's see that they may just only pump in around 3,000 to 4,000 crores. If they are pumping around 3,000 to 4,000 crores, we may, if the 13,774 to 13,830 levels are not in, if they are not broken, then definitely Nifty will close in the levels of 13,674 to 13,770. So there'll be huge consolidation, and only if 13,774 is broken, only if that is broken, we may see another 100 to 150 points happening in Nifty. If that has not been broken, then it will consolidate till 13,670. That is what our prediction will be for the next week. So again, when we see the week analysis, so we can see in the week it has corrected from 13,131 and finished in almost 600 points. Was corrected. So our next week prediction will be 13,974 to 13,599. That's what our prediction is. And to confirm this prediction, we need to see the option chain. What's happening in the option chain for this month expiry? So I'm going to the option chain to see what's happening in the option chain. And when I go to the option chain, I'm going to click 31st December, the last week of this month. So what's happening in 13,750. So here you can see that you can see 339,77,925 open contracts in 14,000 call option, and it's a huge open interest. I may say that I have to say. So when we move this side, 14,000, and again here you can see there's not much build up in the put option side. We can see that 305 lakhs, 310 lakhs been add up in 13,800 ranges, 498. 13,000 options have been written off. So there's been a huge selling of happening in that. The range is becoming higher now. So when we take a tighter range, I can see that so you can see over 960 new contracts being released. So the range can be in the next week is 13,600 to 14,000. So since you can see a huge call writing happening in 14,000, that can be your resistance, and we can see some writing of happening in 13,600 13,800 range, that can be support. So even the option chain is suggesting what I had suggested just by seeing the Fibonacci levels, that we may see a closing between 13,600 to 14,000, just a 400 point range, which will be a very tight peak for the Nifty. So the good news, I've already told that Brexit deal has been done, so we can see a good cheers in the market in the Monday morning. So that could be a good news for the bulls. And we don't have any bad news happening right now. The only bad news is the new COVID strain, and we can see some people being affected, but still we don't have any reports saying that it's because of the new COVID strain. And even the Indian government has said not to be panicked. They also have closed flights coming from UK. So this is the only bad news going around the markets. So other than that, we don't have any bad news happening. So to get good calls from our side, you can join our Telegram channel, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will get updates, you'll get free calls, you'll get news update and information, and you can also join us in Upstox. Referral ID has been given. So that's all from us. Thank you and stay tuned.